To delete a Shopify theme, first log into your Shopify admin dashboard. From the home screen, look at the left-hand navigation menu and click on Online Store. A submenu will appear, and you need to click on Themes. This will take you to the Theme Library page, where you can see your currently published theme at the top and any installed themes listed in the section below. On the Theme Library page, locate the theme you want to remove. It is very important that you do not delete your currently active, published theme. You can only delete a theme that is currently inactive. If you try to delete the live theme, the option will be unavailable. If the theme you want to delete is currently published, you first need to scroll down to a different theme, click the Actions button on it, and select Publish to swap it to the live position. This frees up the old theme for deletion. Once you have confirmed the theme you wish to remove is unpublished, click the Actions button directly next to it. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. Look for and click on Remove. A confirmation pop-up window will appear asking you if you are sure you want to permanently delete the theme. Read the warning carefully, as once a theme is deleted, you cannot recover it unless you have a backup copy of the theme file saved on your computer. To complete the process, click the Remove button on the confirmation pop-up. The page will refresh, and the theme will disappear from your library, freeing up storage space. For a custom theme you might want to use in the future, consider the safer alternative of downloading the theme file before deleting it. You can do this by clicking Actions and then Download Theme File, which saves a zip folder to your computer. This gives you the ability to re-upload and restore the exact design later without losing your custom work permanently.